Hey you all, welcome back to my channel.
It's spring, like everything is new. The sun, the flowers, calling on one day is overdue. But I like everything is new.
It is this channel. I am Prabha Pedinti and I would love to see if you hit that subscribe button. Okay, so this is officially my first vlog on this channel, and oh my god, I am super excited to see how this video turns out and how this goes. So basically, as you already read by the title, this is my 28th 20 okay, not 28 20 birthday vlog. And I don't know, I'm new to vlogging. I hope I do a good job at the first attempt. And yeah, if there are any, just ignore them, because this is a super happy vlog. First of all disclaimers before you get to see the vlog. One is that I am a big birthday crazy addict kind of girl. I love birthdays. Nadia Kapundin Kabarina Sari, I love birthdays. I celebrate mine in next level, and I celebrate my friends' birthdays also a lot. I am a crazy person. Second is that I am super excited all this day for my birthday. I am literally a mad girl on my birthday. Yeah. And ignore my face and my hair now. Right, my hair is in oiling position and my face is not yet done with everything. So right now the time is 11:15 in night, and today is April 4th. It's just few minutes for my birthday. Okay, before I talk to you about what actually is happening, first of all, I've got my eyebrows done. Can you see any difference? Like, can you? It's my first time in life. The first time and in general I have good shaped eyebrows, so I never need them, but I just wanted to do, I don't know if you can see. So I did my nails. I'm super happy with the way it turned out. So basically I am in this room. This is my mom's dad room and Adi Akarma room, and my brother, my mom and dad are planning something every year. Like, we cut cake at 12 o'clock or for all of our birthdays, because I started it. As I told, it's the birthday upstairs. So I guess that is the thing happening. I know that there is something that we have to do to night, 12 o'clock. So I know that they are doing something, and I need to cut cake at 12. I can't sleep, guys. I can't sleep. Yeah. So that's the thing. Right now it's 11:15, and my friends will be calling me at 11:45, as they told. Yeah. So I'll take you all along today. You'll be seeing me smile all the day. I promise, yeah. So yeah, I've talked a lot, and continue watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. Please. morning. It's my birthday morning, and yeah, this is a decoration. If you guys missed, you won't miss. Yeah, because I'll put all the clips. So, prastanki ఇప్పుడు నేను నా స్కిన్ కేర్ చేసుకున్నా. The time is now 9:30, and yeah, 11:30 12 నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ వస్తారు. సో I wash my face under this ఒక స్క్రబ్ వాడాను, దాని తర్వాత ఒక ఫేస్ మాస్క్ పెట్టుకున్నా. సో the scrub I used is this Khadi Pure papaya and rose extract scrub. This is amazing. And the mask which I use right now, which is on my face, is this Dr. Rachel charcoal face mask, face pack. Yeah, so this is what I used. The first thing we're gonna do is get ready and wait for my friends to come, and we go for lunch. So that's the plan. దాని తర్వాత అలా అలా కొనసాగుతుంది రోజు అంతే. So I am 20 and I'm excited. Oh my god. Okay, I'll meet you after I get ready. So hi guys, so I wore my top just now. This is my top, and I'll be wearing the bottom. I'm going to track face now. I just did my headbutt. Okay, headbutt chesa. I did my bath, everything, some grooming and things. So this is the serum which I will be using right now. This is the Matrix Biolite serum. It kakunda na curly hair kabatti I wanted it to stay curly. Na full straight hair also. Very blurred angle because in fast I need to show I'm getting late. The first cream I've used for my curls is this moisturizer curl smoothie. So this is the product which I've used. Yeah, it is the first task now. Then I used the Diva Curl Miracle Curl Plumper D-Leave-In. It's kind of a gel texture. This is what I used. Yeah, I'm done with my hair now. I put in my makeup చేసుకోవాలి. I'll just put a time lapse. If you want to get ready with me, like another video of my birthday makeup look, put that in the comment section so that I can do it for you all as a next video. So yeah, I'll put you on time lapse and I'll do my makeup super fast because I'm late. It's 11 and my friends are gonna come in half an hour. So yeah. I just got ready and this is my face. ఇంకా నేను లిప్స్టిక్ వేసుకోలే. I don't know why లైట్లో చాలా వేరేగా కనిపిస్తుంది ఫేస్. Actually my face is looking nice. I don't know ఇక్కడ అంతా తెలియటం లేదు, but this is the eye look I did. I did something. So I'll show you my outfit just a second. So this is my outfit. I've got this from H&M, this too from H&M. So yeah, I love this outfit. I am feeling myself totally. My friends are gonna come. Already cook outside, so other people are gonna come. After they come, we'll just go out for a little bit and come back soon. So that's the plan. Yeah, I am. It's my birthday. Chill. Okay. So I'll take you along when we go out. So yeah. చాలాసేపు అయింది వచ్చి.
ఇంకా ఒకరు బాకీ ఉన్నారు మా వరదాక్షి.
రాయ్ అక్కడ బయట కలుస్తారు. సో మీరు చూసండి మా గిఫ్ట్స్ అన్ని ఇచ్చారు వీళ్ళు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇవన్నీ నాకు యూట్యూబ్కి సంబంధించిన గిఫ్ట్స్ ఇచ్చారు. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ. లంచ్ చేయడానికి బయటకు వెళ్దాం. రమి అక్కడ కలుస్తుంది. ఆ మధ్యలో నేను బ్లాక్ చేస్తాను. దెన్ యూ కెన్ సీ what we are doing. Okay, so now we are going to, what is this, Real Deepak Punjabi Dhaba. So we'll meet Ramya there and then we'll meet him. Hi.
ఇప్పుడే తిన్నాం అయింది. ప్లేట్లు చూసారా ఖాళీగా ఉన్నాయి.
Happy birthday, Shiv.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే పండి.
Thank you.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే.
నా బర్త్డే రోజు కూడా కొడతాం.
నెక్స్ట్ అదే అనమాట, అందుకే చూపిస్తుంది.
క్యారీ ఇట్రా. నాకు హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే చెప్పు. బర్త్డే. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీరు నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ కాదు వీళ్ళ. నాకు హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే చెప్పు.
Many more happy returns of the day.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
పదోసారి.
Okay guys, so now I am at that island, like if you know, that is Hor, and I am in middle of the road. We stopped here to take some pictures.
హలో.
He'll be taking pictures. He got the camera.
ఏంటి?
వీడు ఫోటోస్ తీస్తాడని చెప్తున్నాను రా.
తీస్తున్నా ఇగో నీకు తీస్తా.
సో ఇప్పుడు రోడ్ మధ్యలో ఉన్నాం. ఫోటోస్ తీసుకుని అప్పుడు ఇంకా చోటుకి వెళ్తాం. ఓకే, సో మేము ఇప్పుడు జాక్ ఫ్రాస్ట్కి వచ్చాము. నేను మేము
చల్లగా ఉంది,
ఇద్దరం
ice cream.
తింటాం లేదు ఐస్ క్రీమ్.
అందుకే బేవర్స్గా వ్లాగింగ్ చేస్తున్నాం.
వీళ్ళందరూ తింటున్నారు. అది మన అబ్బాయి ఈ అమ్మాయి ఇంకో అమ్మాయి
జస్ట్ ఇక
కనిపించారు.
ఈ అమ్మాయి ఇప్పుడే డ్రెస్ మీద వేసుకుంది.
Hi guys, so it is the night of my birthday. అంటే ఇప్పుడు టైం నైట్ అంటే లేట్ అయిపోయింది ఇంకా. ఇట్స్ లైక్ 10:30 సంథింగ్ లైక్ దాట్. నేను ఇంటికి వచ్చి చాలాసేపు అయింది ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో మీరు చూసినంత వరకు ఐ హ్యావ్ కట్ ద కేక్ ఇన్ హోమ్ ఎట్ ఈవినింగ్. ఆఫ్టర్ దాట్ I went to meet Karthik. He's my friend, so I went to meet him. అయింది, బట్ ఐ కుడ్ నాట్ రికార్డ్ ఎనీథింగ్ దేర్ బికాస్ ఇట్ జస్ట్ డిడ్ంట్ హ్యాపెన్. సో అక్కడ అయింది అండ్ యా, దట్ వాజ్ మై డే. ఐ జస్ట్ కేమ్ హియర్ టు టెల్ యూ ఆల్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. సో there are a lot of people, నాకు ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో చాలామంది, వాట్సాప్లో చాలామంది మెసేజ్ చేస్తారు saying happy birthday. So if any of you are watching, first of all thank you so much. Each and every wish of yours matters to me, and yeah, I am so happy for all the wishes and blessings which came my way on this birthday. So I am 20 this year and I don't know seriously how my year goes this time because I don't know, it's adulting. Ante 19, 18 చిన్న పిల్లలం 20 అనేసాక ఒక ఫీల్ అదంతే. అండ్ I don't know how it goes, but I hope the best happens for me. Yeah. So, secondly, I really want to thank my parents and my brother. If you're watching, Amma, Daddy, and Anna, I love you guys. Like, I cannot imagine a better family for me. Like, and they, even if they really don't understand what is, celebrating, decorating. అంటే నేను బర్త్డే పిచ్చిదాన్ని, అలా బర్త్డేస్ అందరివి డెకరేట్ చేసి చేస్తా, బట్ దే రియలీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఐడియా. ఈవెన్ దెన్ దే ఆల్వేస్ ట్రై టు మేక్ మీ ఫీల్ స్పెషల్. అండ్ యా, ఇట్ మీన్స్ అ లాట్ టు మీ. నాకు ఎఫర్ట్స్ పెడితే చాలా ఐఎమ్ so happy, and I can never ask for a better family. And yeah, I love you guys. Even though I am not so emotional person, I don't show emotions anta, but yeah, you guys made my day really special, and especially my mom. And I can't tell, she's my everything. Yeah. And last but not at all the least are my friends, my 4 friends, Ramya, Tarak, Sachin and Chadi. నేనైతే ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇంకా ఏడ్ చేస్తాను అనుకున్నా, బికాస్ ద టైమ్ దే గిఫ్టెడ్ మీ, దే గేవ్ మీ ట్రైపాడ్ స్టాండ్, రింగ్ లైట్, మైక్ అండ్ SD card. నేను ఎప్పటి నుంచి I'm wanting to buy them. I wanting to save and buy because they help me a lot in YouTube and Instagram. So when I saw that they bought me that as a gift, I was gone, and I was like, oh my god. So I don't know if you can me choose on a clip kuda na gifts iche clip. I was literally jumping. So yeah, my friends, like, they are almost like my family. They're like a second family, I can say. Ante వాళ్ళు కూడా అంతే, అగైన్ లైక్ మై ఫ్యామిలీ. వాళ్ళందరికీ బర్త్డే ఇస్తారు. తారక్ సచిన అయితే బర్త్డే అయితే ఏంటి అంటారు, బట్ దే పుట్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ ఫర్ మీ. దే గేవ్ మీ ఆల్ దిస్ గిఫ్ట్స్, మేడ్ మీ ఫీల్ స్పెషల్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ఫర్ making my day so special. I love you guys. I love you, each and everyone. And yeah, that is the whole gist of the day. And finally, the last person I met is Karthik, and yeah, again we met, and it's been a good evening spent. Thank you so much for you too. I don't know, I'm feeling so emotionally, bro. Actually, my grandfather passed away last year, and every year he is like the first person to wish, and just he is the one who always calls and stuff. Like, it's a lot emotional that this is the first birthday that I don't have him talking to me, saying happy birthday. But we need to accept. See, I really get emotional when I talk about him. The cake which I cut in the evening, the Nanam Pampichar Naku. Thank you, Nanama. I really love you. And for every relative of mine, every friend of mine who has wished, thank you so much. So, yeah. So this is the end for this birthday vlog. This is my 20th birthday vlog, and chala mandi adigaru to ask me to do this video, and here I did it. I will never disappoint you all in doing videos and putting up good content. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to put that thumbs up, share with your friends, and let them know that you want your birthday to be celebrated like this and even more in a good way if you want anything. So yeah, share with your friends, and then subscribe. Please do subscribe to my channel, guys. It would mean a lot. So ivalti video kinte, I hope you all enjoyed as much as I did, and I'll also attach some photos at the end. Don't miss them, just watch it. My birthday thing, photos. So yeah, if you want a birthday get ready with me video like look, if you want to see them, just put it in the comment section below. I'll just do it for you guys if you want, any of you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's just meet in the next video. Bye all.